Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial Guru again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial. Today I'll be showing how to log into your Sam's Club business credit card account online. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Sam's Club business credit card account, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in samsclub.com like this and hit enter. And after that, you'll be directed to the home of the Sam's Club. Now to log into your credit card account, on the top right corner of your screen, you can see the sign in option or the button available. When we hover over it, this kind of interface will appear, and you can see the sign in option available over here. Click on sign in, and after that you'll be required to enter your email and your password over here with which you had registered on Sam's Club at the time of creating your account. After that, click on sign in, then you'll be able to log into your Sam's Club business credit card account from over here. Or if you have not yet registered on Sam's Club online, you can see the register your membership over here. Click on register your membership to go through a procedure to create an account on Sam's Club. And so guys, this is how you log into Sam's Club business credit card account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.